Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make sweet corn from Can Full Guide. Drain the 15 Oz can and rinse briefly, then heat in a skillet with 1 tablespoon butter. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 tsp lemon juice to brighten flavors. Cook on medium for about 5 minutes until warm and slightly caramelized. Stir gently, taste, adjust seasoning, and serve hot as a side or in salads. Try simple flavor tweaks to make canned sweet corn pop. Sauté minced garlic in 1 tsp oil, then add corn and 2 tablespoon chopped cilantro, finishing with 1 tsp lime juice for brightness. For a creamy twist, stir in 2 tablespoon mayonnaise and 2 tablespoon grated Parmesan. For smoky heat, add 1 tsp smoked paprika and a pinch of cayenne. Taste as you go and adjust salt, sweet, and spice to suit your preference. If you're enjoying this guide, please really subscribe and like if you find the tips helpful. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup after cooking so easy and fun. It saves time so you can focus on meals and flavors. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Serve your sweet corn in many ways to keep meals interesting. Spoon warm corn over grilled fish or chicken for a bright, sweet contrast that lifts the whole plate. Fold cooled corn into salads with arugula, feta, and a splash of vinaigrette for texture and tang. Use corn as a filling in tacos with avocado and pickled onions for a quick weeknight meal. Garnish with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lime before serving daily.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.